Hi, this user management web application can run on the web or on premises. It has a user can register here. Now we'll register a new user. Of course, there is a check on the password and on username and email. Has to be unique. This is a bio. It may be replaced for something else based on business requirement. A new user profile. So user can update his or her information. And it is offline right now. We're offline. This is just to show placeholder for here a user can go to his profile. Additional function may be added. And here there is a two admin. One is optional to choose from. This is the custom admin that can list the users or add users or update users or delete users. Can also search for a specific phrase, or username or email. List you all the users that has the phrase in it. You can browse all the users. Of course, this may grow to hundreds of thousands of users based on the type of database that you choose. This is the home page. It has a description of this project. And this is Flask-Admin. Also, you can also add users or edit users or delete users or change permission to what a user is allowed to access. You can update a user here or delete the user. I see here that user was deleted. There is also a login mechanism where you log all irregularity that might exist. Here we're logging all activity that happens on the server, and you can customize that to fit your needs. Logs also will show here. Of course, this is just the user management. Other business related functionality can be added. And now, of course, we're offline. This is social media. So you as far as you want by adding your specific business requirement to it. And talk to you soon. Bye now.